Okay, here we have Diane. Isn't Diane Long an actress?
Not that I'm aware of.
I think there is. So maybe I'll get your autograph later. Okay,
Oh,
um, so Diane came in December, so about 6 months ago or seven, and she had some bone-on-bone osteoarthritis of the knees. Were you told you needed a knee replacement in the past?
yes.
Okay, so she wanted to avoid that. Instead, we did the umbilical cord birth tissue laser stem cell signaling. And 6 months later, how are the knees holding up?
It's been amazing. In fact, I've referred a friend to me that you're now treating, and she's doing amazing. And I'm very glad I came to this. I really am.
And are you back walking? I know that's the main activity you wanted to do.
Walking and gardening. My garden is doing great. I got corn and green beans, you name it, I've got it growing. So,
Nice. Next time we do a trade, you bring me some vegetables. I'll give you some
oh,
treatment. How's that? Like the old country doctors.
I can do that. I can do that. I got
All
lots
right.
of tomatoes getting to right. We need some sunshine though. I'm tired of this gloom.
As long as it's organic, right? All
Yeah,
right.
it's all organic. I don't use anything on it. So
So how many percent better do the knees feel 6 months later?
I wrote 85% on my paperwork
I'll
today.
take those odds. Remember I said don't expect more than 10% improvement a month. You're way ahead of the game.
Right.
Let's say your ability to get out of the chair. I want you to walk to the door and come back. Let's see your mobility. Wow, you're just moving like a champ. Look at you.
I can play with my grandson again and not have any
Nice.
problems.
All right.
I have to tell you that, my second visit with you in March, you had asked me a question if I felt the ozone worked better or the laser worked better. And I had told you I couldn't really answer that question because my appointment in February, you did both treatments at the same time. So that day you just had the ozone given to me. And about 2 weeks later, I had to call Melissa because I didn't know what was going on. My pain was getting so severe, almost back to the original. And Melissa, oh, no, no, we don't want that. She says, let me schedule you for a laser treatment. She scheduled
Yeah.
me for 4 weeks in a row. And oh my gosh, I'm so glad I called because I don't know what the procedure is.
Yeah,
And
they work together. The ozone
yeah,
stimulates cells.
yeah,
It's like giving oxygen to the plants.
yeah,
And then the laser, they all work together. So yeah.
yes,
Right.
yeah.
So we're just
But
gonna do a little laser to keep the cells stimulated, and
okay.
we'll have it come back in a few months for another follow-up, okay?
Okay, I do the laser at home twice a day
That's
still.
good. All right. Well,
It's,
keep it up. Congratulations.
thank you. Thank you